So I'm pretty happy because yesterday we had a nice winter storm, and you can see that it's pretty white outside. It's also pretty sunny. It's actually brighter on a winter day than it is on a summer day for us here in Canada because the sun reflects off the snow. There's a couple things that I need to do today, and I'll teach you some English along the way. One is I need to clean my driveway out. I'm actually going to blow the driveway out with the snowblower, and I'm going to do a little bit of sledding with the kids. It's actually hard to walk through this snow right now. I don't know if you can see. We're a little bit snowed in today. When you're snowed in, it means that there's so much snow that we can't get our vehicles out. It is a really nice day though. It's cold, it's -15. You don't want to be out here too long without bundling up. So you can see I have my winter hat on, which we call a toque in Canada. I got my winter gloves, got my winter boots, on my feet, and I got lots of layers on. So I'm nice and bundled up to stay warm. So the accumulation, that's the amount of snow that came down. They said was going to be 10 to 25 centimeters. I think here we got maybe about 10 centimeters. So when it's this cold outside, you want to make sure that you don't get frostbite. Frostbite is when your skin actually freezes. When it's -15, you can safely be outside for quite a while, an hour or two, but you do want to make sure that you're covered up as much as possible when you're out in cold weather. We'll go and see if we can get the big tractor started now. If I lived in the city, I would have to clean my driveway with a shovel or a small snowblower. Not as fun. For me, it's a lot more fun to clean it with the tractor. So it's so cold that in order to start the tractor, we have to have it plugged in. We don't plug our cars in the winter in this part of Canada, but there are parts of Canada where it's so cold that you have to plug your vehicles in at night just to keep them warm. There's a small heater inside. So we do this with things like tractors around here. I'm always glad when things start in the winter, when it gets this cold. So this machine here on the back of my tractor is a snowblower. And what it does is it'll bring the snow in here and it'll shoot it out through that piece up there. I'll give you a little video of it working. That's how you move a lot of snow really, really fast. So, probably won't be very easy to see. Very safe to drive a tractor at the same time as running a snowblower. So, driveway's all nice and cleaned out. We'll be able to get the vehicles out now when we need to go to work. I'm not sure if you can see out there, but we have what are called snow drifts. So snow in the winter will get picked up by the wind after it's on the ground, and it will start to drift. It'll start to build little snow drifts in different areas. Drifting can be a little annoying because after you've cleaned the driveway, after you've shoveled or blown the driveway out, the wind can fill it back in again. So that's never fun, because then you have to go and clean the driveway again. I'll probably have to clean the driveway again a bit later. So when it's cold and windy at the same time, we have something that's called the wind chill factor. And the wind chill factor is, it'll feel colder than it actually is. So right now it's -15. That's the actual temperature. But with the wind chill, it feels like -20. So the real temperature is -15 degrees Celsius. But with the wind chill factor, it actually feels 5 degrees colder. And it's cold out here. It's so cold, in fact, that my camera only works for about 5 minutes before it says that it's too cold, and then it shuts down on me. So I've been outside, I think 4 times now to make this video. So we're gonna head behind the house right now. We have a hill, and the hill has a nice covering of snow on it. And the kids are back there sledding. They have their sleds out there. Sledding is when you get a sled and you go down a hill. You slide down the hill on the sled, or toboggan. We also sometimes use toboggans in Canada, but it's a lot of fun, so let's go check it out.
Wait, are you gonna videotape us going down?
Yeah, let's look at the camera. Hi, Bob the Canadian here. Winter is finally here. We're outside doing some sledding, some tobogganing. I think I'm gonna go down the hill now. Okay, you go first.
Dad's going down!
Wish me luck.
Dad, there's a ramp on one side.
Okay. Here I go.
Try not to hit the camera on my way down.
Woo! Oh, that hurt a little bit.
Oh no, I got snow in my glove.
Well, hey, Bob the Canadian here. Learn English with Bob the Canadian. Thanks for helping me clean my driveway and for taking a ride down the hill on a sled. Don't forget to click the subscribe button below and give me a thumbs up if this video helped you learn some English, and I'll see you next week in the next video. Just super happy that we got some snow. I think most Canadians like snow. Not all of us, but most of us. Anyways, have a great week.